has devoted his career to protecting and enhancing the city's natural and historic beauty. Starting as a teenage seasonal helper in East River Park on the Lower East Side, picking up litter and mopping locker rooms, and then working later as a ranger stationed in Central Park. Between 1979 and 1990, he took on a variety of positions, ranging from Director of Natural Resources and Horticulture, in which he oversaw scores of restoration projects in the city's wetlands and forests, to Director of Arts and Antiquities, in charge of the city's conservation and interpretation of over 1,000 monuments and 23 historic house museums. From 1990 to 1993, Commissioner Benepay was the director of the annual fund and major gifts for the New York City Botanical Garden in the Bronx, where he expanded his knowledge of plants, trees, and children's education. And from 93 to 95, he served as vice president for issues and public affairs for the Municipal Art Society. And in that role, he managed public relations and developed strategies for public advocacy efforts in city planning. In 2002, Mayor Bloomberg appointed Adrian Benepay Commissioner of Parks and Recreation, where he now oversees the operation of 29,000 acres and nearly 4,000 properties, including almost 1,000 playgrounds, 600 ball fields, 550 tennis courts, 63 swimming pools, 35 recreation centers, 14 miles of beach, 5 major stadia, 2.5 million street and park trees, and so on. More importantly, in this role, he is focused on improving park facilities and programs for children, developing new waterfront parks and greenways, making New York City bloom with millions of new flowers, that many of which we're seeing right now, and hundreds of gardens. And thanks to the leadership of the city's administration, the department is currently managing the largest program of park expansion and renovation since the 1930s, and signature projects to green the city and develop a more sustainable future. Along the way, Commissioner Benepay earned a BA in English Literature from Middlebury College, as well as a master's degree in journalism from Columbia University, where he was awarded the Pulitzer Fellowship. He lives with his wife and 2 sons here on the Upper West Side, where he grew up. He likes to run, walk, bicycle, and cross-country ski in, of course, Central and Riverside parks, and throughout the city's park system. So please join me in welcoming fellow neighbor, traveler, Columbia alumnus, and Commissioner of Parks and Recreation, Adrian Benepay.